Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you the code P0301 all the way to P0305 on a Volkswagen 2.5. It's the same for the Beetle and Jetta and Golf with the 2.55 cylinder engine. Okay, the car started hesitating a little bit and running a little bit rough. The engine light is on, and that's what we have with the scanner. 351, that's ignition coil A, which means A is number 1. It's the very right one, the one on the very right on the passenger side. And also cylinder 1 misfire detected. So the last digit is the one corresponding to the cylinder number. So if it's a spark plug, you're going to have only, most likely, only this code without the 5 in it. But in our case it's ignition coil, and we're going to show you how we're going to replace it. You need to open the hood, pull the cover right there, and now that's ignition coil right there, and you need to press, get the screwdriver right there. Okay, got loose. That's it. That's the ignition coil. And now you just pull it out. It gets stuck pretty good, so you might need to help it a little bit with a screwdriver. And we recommend using only good quality, because the Chinese made ones sometimes work, sometimes do not. So I mean, they're cheap, you can always give them a try and see if they're going to work. Okay, that's the number right there. Okay, right there if you need it. And now we're just going to get the new one and you install it. Okay, like that, that's the new one. We got it second hand because we have another parts car. And you just put the cable, press it in until it clicks, and push all the way down, and that's it. That's perfect right there. So now if we go on the inside and start the vehicle and reset the code, so we need to erase it. Okay, right there it says erase in progress, and after we erase it and we start the vehicle, we should have no engine light. Erase was successful, and right there now. Okay, as you can see, there is no engine light, everything is working perfectly. So that's how you fix that code. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.